Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, bless the love, guys, bless the love, bless the love. I know I'm right here in between Charles Street and Orange Street. And you know, on my way, you know, cause I was gonna get a smoothie up by the Spice. I always drive past this recording place called Small World, you know. You know, there's a lot of legend record music right here as well. You know that we are part of the music, you know, want to come out of Trenchtown, anything connected music, we have to also tag along with it. So whenever we see something that's so unique or ideal as this, you know, we have to always check it out once it commences with music, because you know, music is our journey. You know, that's what takes us on our daily basis sometimes, the positive music. And yes, as you can see, you know, but you have a lot of legends, living legends same way. You have Buju Banton as well too, you know, you have Uri, you know, you have Gregory Isaac on the wall there, and Dennis Brown, and many more, you know, pass through this, eh?
That is it, man. Big up yourself, man. Said we are man at the general place, man. Said we are man. The thing I want you to some check the general right.
Yeah, so here, so tell me something about here. Tell me what's unique about this recording place here.
As me say, you can look on the wall and all of the big artists, them the writers, you know. No one then. It's just late, but you know, see big youth and the rest of them, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I want it for them. Right,
yeah, because you know, I always pass it, you know, I'm a thing like, the energy say I'm gonna stop here, you know, because I know so the music is also within us, you know, so I have to always.
I met General Nomad, that's a name Perry.
Yeah.
Perry, when I go across the bar, I don't know from the artist place there, so
yeah.
I have the bar, I can get a chill spot.
Same way.
So, you can't just hold it, man, see you,
yeah.
walk over there, go link up Perry.
So I try the engineer. Oh, yeah, man. So I'm a link guy. Yeah, man. So I give a look in how I go on, guys. As I can see, Small World. So we're gonna see what's inside the Small World. You know, so it's nothing but classic. It's music. Small world. Them say small thing come with a big package. Okay. Oh, so it's a studio itself. Okay, well I feel the energy coming here, like I'm stepping in the booth where all the legends them passing through. Yes, I feel the energy stepping here. See it there? So you know, so a lot of it come from this mic, you know, a lot over the years, standing right here in this same booth where it's Arthur Ellis, Buju Banton, Uri, how much more? Philip Fraser. So guys, now I'm have here with me this is Perry, right? They call you Perry.
Yeah.
Who's also the engineer, right?
Yeah. I'm big up Bravo. The man, you know. I'm the man.
So Bravo is also another engineer?
Yeah, I'm country.
Oh, so that's Bravo there.
Yeah, with Sly and Robbie.
Oh, Sly and Robbie. So yes, Sly and Robbie. So you know their name, they growing up now always hear me Sly and Robbie. So you see, that's what I told you, I feel the energy, guys. So when I step in here, I feel the energy. So, you know, whenever I'm going to start doing music back, there's hits. Because from stepping at these legends' footsteps, walk in the same boot that they walk into. You know, see you have the legend here, Bob Marley, you know, One Love, Trenchtown. You know, I'm saying the music cannot leave us. Born and grown in Trenchtown, still doing the good deeds same way in Trenchtown, sharing the same love. You know, I'm saying this place is unique. So I always pass the place. I never really step in here for the first time. I'm actually doing that. I feel like say yes, I'm part of the music world. Yeah. You know, Perry?
Yeah.
So Perry, so how long has this place been around here?
Well, over 20 years, yeah.
Oh, that's a long time. That's a very long time.
Yeah.
20 years.
Yeah.
And these are some of the... So who's this here on this photo?
Oh, this is Big Youth.
Okay.
Dennis Brown. And this is Lego.
Is this inside here?
No, this is our next studio.
Oh, next studio.
That is around the corner.
And Big Youth is also a part of this right here, right? The Small World.
Work here, a lot of work.
So why they call it Small World? Why they call it Small World? Is it because they say big things come in small packages, right?
All of that too.
And a lot of legends come inside here.
Just decide to get
Small World, and that's
that was
bravo.
Idea, yeah?
Yes, Small World.
Stranger Cool.
So this is from the 80s. This 80s music?
No. After we made that album.
Oh, Stranger Cool.
But he said it. Rocksteady style.
Oh, Rocksteadies. Yes, guys. So most of you must remember Stranger Cool, you know, Rocksteady days, you know, Youth Rocksteady. You know, a lot of legends see me. Yeah, I like the energy, you know, I like it. So this now we sing. This is Gregory?
Yeah.
So this is Gregory Isaac.
Yeah, we sing Gregory, various artists.
Okay.
These are the artists.
And this was produced by Small World, right?
Yeah.
So Small World. Bravo.
Yeah.
Control.
Yeah.
What year this was done? Is the year there? So you have George Nooks, you have Bunny, Luciano, Gregory Isaac, Glenn Riggs, Arias, Andy, and this is a more of a year, right? Dan Carlos,
Shalom,
Sugar Minot,
Max Romeo,
Harold Dunkley.
Alright.
See there, so that are some great names, you know, doing great music here in Jamaica. And we also have a picture here with Bravo, and these two persons are
some promoters from Europe.
Oh, it's from Europe.
Keep showing Europe. I don't know if it's. I don't think them keep it showing.
Okay. So guys, so this place is located right in between Charles Street and Haring Street. You know, it's right at the corner. You cannot miss it because once you see it, you'll see the energy, you see the music, you know, you see the artist work out there and everything with all the legends them on it as well. It's a Small World, you know. So for local artists and them things, them come here and record as well too, right?
Yeah, man.
I can imagine the quality that come out here, boy.
Yeah, man.
So which song is one of the biggest number one song that come out this studio? Can you remember?
So many songs.
So many. Alright, just give me one. It don't have to be the biggest, but give me one. But there's so many names, for true. You know, there's so many names. So for you see the names, you must know as well too, guys. There's so many names as you can see. You know, there's so many names. We have Buju Banton pass through, so you know them man there, everything is a hit. When Buju Banton drop anything.
A lot of good songs come out.
The song that Buju Banton did when him coming here, you shouldn't have that. Is it on his album?
No, along that was a, you know, I guess I was the next studio where we used to be in. Buju used to come here.
Okay. See, great man. One day I'm coming to record here, boy. You know, because I feel it. Me no know what them are pre about. A keynote.
Yeah, artists.
Hey guys, oh that one the sound. That sound like a eating at the studio, you know. They say, oh that one the sound, Perry.
Yeah man, it's all good man.
So
ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Aye.
Oh.
Up. So yes, so Perry said I want the sound ready. So you know once Perry said I told him can feel it, feel the energy in here. So once Perry said it's ready and there's a lot of it come out this studio. You know, once he made the sound himself me an artist. So him recognize music, you cannot deny it, right?
Every time.
Cannot deny it, you cannot deny it. So give them the address exactly where this place located.
45 Charles Street.
That's right off Orange Street.
At the intersection of Charles Street and Orange Street.
Alright. And guys, as you can see where I was standing, you know, so I'm saying it's nice to come get that insight, you know, because I always pass this place, you know, sometimes I will see like, especially Christopher Ellis was here the other day, you know, when he take the picture, you know, so that's when I know that something unique is going on here, so I really have to check it out. So I know most of you viewers who's watching this, you know this place and probably in music and been here already, you know, but it's my first time seeing what's going on inside here and I feel that, you know, I feel it, man. I feel the heat in his here. You know, so Perry, give thanks, man, and respect, man, you know, every time, man. Rastafari, love, one love, every time, you know, everything of Bob Marley. I'm telling you, you cannot leave us. One love we deal with. Trenchtown Rock, Bob Marley, you know, born and grown in Trenchtown, same way it goes already. I was still doing a good deed, same way there in Trenchtown, you know. We sing, so you know, I will be singing soon, you know, man. And Oliver and all this. Feel the energy, feel the vibe, music, everything is alive, you know. Everything is alive. See there. Everything is alive. You see the guys, I'm right here on the corner. I know I'm saying most of you guys must always drive past here and see, you know, in a lot of photos, you know. These are the original buildings, you know, so exactly a small world. So right across here you also have a bar as well too, you know. Piggy's Hut. You know, Piggy's Hut, so you know, so this is right across here me at the one place, at the one link, you know. So see there, right across. Olympic. Oh, that my general. So guys, so this is Orange Street here. Orange Street and Charles Street, so it's right in between and it's right over there, small world. You cannot miss it, you know, so Perry, greetings brother, so we link here. Alright, man. So yes guys, so you know the thing goes already. Music is what we love. See? Small world. I have Black Dread from the UK. Lego Records. You have a lot of records right here as well too. You cannot go wrong. Rockstone Kush, you know. No man is an island. Dennis Brown. No man is an island. No man stands alone. You see there? Classic. Man, as my general, so what we have right here? Saving pans?
Yeah, man.
Pans?
Saving pans and bottle warmers, chicken feet pan and all those stuff.
Oh, so that's what you make them here?
Yeah, man, we make them, man.
Okay, what's the name of this place here?
Well, in the shop,
Yeah.
we just call it a little metal shop here.
Metal shop. Wow. So, are you located right on Orange Street, right?
Next door, small world recording studio around here.
Right next door.
Yeah.
So tell me something. So what anything them want, they can come get it right here. So for instance, you have the patty warmer.
Yeah, man, we have patty warmer.
And you have
saving pan.
Yes.
We have chicken feeding pan.
Alright.
And we have things where people have in them phone we can make those great. We can make things as well, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
And guys, you know in this time you need to save your money. You need to come get it The authentic saving pan.
Yeah.
You know, easy for broke, you know, so you know, drop your money, don't feel like you can take it out straight away. No, you have to let it stay. You know, so let us see what's going on then, you know. What we have in here.
Come in.
Yes, sir.
Patty warmer.
Alright. So imagine my father used to make patty back in the days, you know. And we used to have one of these, but it's not exactly this one. You know, back in the days one is different from now.
Have the cover down one.
Yes.
Look like this.
Okay, so these are the ones where they can walk with.
No man, I don't really patty warmer up there, so it used to stay before now.
Okay, yes, see that, see that.
I like that one.
Yeah. And you still have fire inside here, right? Back in the days one. And you have fire inside. So these are the ones we used to outside the school gates. You know, the fire and keep it warm. Okay, talented. And what material they used to make them?
Aloe steel.
Aloe
Steel.
Okay.
Yeah. They call it, now hard doing about to buy, they call it containers roofing.
Yeah. So like how much one of these would go for?
Alright. Close to $9,000.
9,000. And that's reasonable. And it's reasonable and this can last you for a long time.
Like the one I know, that's 13,000.
Yes.
The one that for 10.
This one is for 10.
Yeah.
Oh, so this literally have a warmer inside it itself. Okay. So 18,000. Oh, so each one of them come in something like this, right? Okay. So that's for 10. 10,000 Jamaican, 18,000 Jamaican. And that is reasonable. You know, it's very, very reasonable as well too. Reasonable price. Authentic. So this is the work over here getting done, right?
Yeah, man.
So this is the...
This section is where you make the chicken feeding pan them.
Okay.
Feeding pan for chicken?
Yeah.
This section. So all around.
Yes.
Chicken feeding pan.
Chicken feeding pan, right?
Letterbox and all those things.
Yes. And as I say, everything is reasonable as I can see. You know, and everything is strong. And tell them the address again.
45 Charles Street.
I have
Orange Street and Charles Street.
so you have a contact number I can give out.
Yeah man, 369-6987.
Okay, so it's 1876.
Yeah, 1876-369-6987.
Yeah. So guys, let me say you can call and come give us support, you know. Help each other grow, because that's what I stand for. We like to help each other grow, you know, because that's the way we have to build our economy, by looking out for each other. We have to support ourselves. Understand? And I like that, especially when we know so we're doing the right thing.
Yes sir.
Not doing the wrong. You see there? And it's a lot of work you have to get done, so it's not easy. It's not easy. So how many years now you been doing this, General?
Hey, it's a long while, you know.
Long while.
Yeah, man. Long time. Years now.
Years.
Yeah, man. Long time.
So how you learn it?
Well,
School? I just watch someone doing it.
When I workshop with them, a metal shop.
Yeah.
First I used to have a lot of metal shop, you know. You see, have a few around now. But back in the days, you have a lot of metal shop.
Yeah.
A lot of metal shop.
That's
so
true.
I went into one. You know?
See,
I'm every person, I'm just catch on to the work. Yeah, man, from a long way, we are documenting again.
Okay. In a cleaner.
I mean, a normal thing, you know.
Yes. And that's the name of it. What's the name of the place? You call it?
Yeah, man. Metal work.
Oh, so you don't have a name for the shop itself?
No, metal work. Metal shop.
Just call it metal shop for now.
Metal shop. That good for fabrication.
Okay, the metal fabrication for now. See them, man, I will love, man, I will give thanks. You know, I say I hope people them can come, especially get them saving pan. These are the time we have to start save. If you don't want to save it in the bank, you can save it in your house, in the pan. That's where it is. Because everybody trusts the bank, you know, but we know them trust themselves. You know, so you save it.
This one is the emergency saving, you know?
Yes.
The one in the pan.
Yeah.
You have access to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can easily go feed anytime you're ready.
You feel like that's one of them and take out the money. That is it.
Yeah, good to go. Yeah, man. I like our fellow brothers them, you know. talented. You know, never make it go to waste and never give up CMA. Alright then, so give thanks man, thank you for the time CMA, you know. Yeah man, and I hope
We always the panic.
yes sir.
Yeah man, 7 days a week.
Alright.
Yeah man, non-stop.
So I hope this brings some support, you know, the viewers them who's watching. So you can check out my channel, it's called Kino Life in Jamaica. You can check out my channel, it's called Kino Life in Jamaica on YouTube. Yes. As them say, we also do charity as well to help out people. So there's a lot of supporting movement on this program, same way, you know. Yeah man. Alright, every time man. So yeah man, much strength man. That is it. That's our motto. Each one help one. Each one teach one. Right, uncle? It is the way. Because in our days we can't pass and say without saying good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, right? Parents will beat us.
Yeah.
So that's my generation growing up. Right? Mr. Peacock. Yeah. So who is Mr. Peacock? Alright, Mr. Peacock. Pick up yourself then, right?
Big up yourself.
Alright, then take it easy. Mr. Peacock. So yes guys, so I'm just saying I'm gonna get a smoothie now and then check in back. Yeah man, blessed love man, as you can see I'm here where nature belongs, you know. I'm here, you know, Spice, you know, I'm saying I'm in nature. And I also guys, you know, remember this phrase from when I went to see Sizzla Kalonji, you know. I'm on Grey Shore and this is Raggedy.
Nah, yeah, it's raggedy, well raggedy. Ragamuffin come from nothing.
Yes sir, yes guys, and it's from them times, you know. I'm say I'll come back, I'll meet up at the same place where all the consciousness is, you know, right here. This yard is full of energy, you know, the vibration. When you come here, it makes me don't want to leave, I am telling you, right? It's pure energy, pure vibes, you know. As you see, we're surrounded by the nature inside the yard. As you see here, spice, you know, cutting up the spice, you know, cutting up the spice. So you see, you're prepping up something right now, right?
Yeah man, I need some stir fry, isn't it?
Stir fry.
Quinoa and pumpkin, you know, like some pumpkin rice, but
Pumpkin rice.
substitute rice with quinoa, you know?
Quinoa.
Yeah.
So basically this is pumpkin seed, right? So but the way how them done it, him say it's gonna taste like banana chips, all the chips you can think of. Right? I don't know the way how them done it, but trust me guys, I'm really come back here for this smoothie. I'm telling you about the smoothie, it is the best. Right? So far the smoothie it is rocketing. Like raggedy, that's a yo, it's rocketing.
Yeah, man, well raggedy man.
Real. And see the onion, the right onion is the red onion. Yeah. Cutting up the spice and making it right. Hey. So guys, so I'm gonna try this right now. You know. Yeah, try this right now. So eat it like banana chips. It's a spice like banana chips, right?
Yeah. Any chips you can think of.
I'm pumpkin seed is a banana chips, man.
See there?
No. But it's like banana chips for two.
And I didn't make it, you know. I import it, you know, the same ones that were still up the side.
Yeah. Raggy.
The first time pass?
Yeah.
So how come it tastes like banana chips? And there's no...
There's a flavor to taste, you know, like an iPie, you see me?
Yeah.
Pepper there, you know, yeah.
So it's all pumpkin seed inside.
Yeah, man.
And what's this?
And bird pepper, right?
Bird pepper.
Yeah.
And this one?
Bird pepper, them, man.
Oh, what about bird pepper? But it's like banana chips for sure.
This is the modest life, you see me? If you don't talk about modest life, but them are the modest life, you see me? All natural.
Healthy life.
Your body enhance your soul, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys. The way I'm spice it literally tastes like banana chips.
It's better than banana chips.
Yeah.
Every chips you can think of.
It's better than banana chips.
Cup is here, boss.
Can bring him. I didn't get that last time, though.
This is my one.
Oh, they bring yours. Bash.
Smoothie.
Yeah. No, I know what happened. She give me mine that bash. I'm going to like the feelings there. Bash again. Gang. Come big on the general. Come in the general. So this is the general price.
Yeah, you know.
Herbal Life.
Link up with Kino Life, you know.
Yes.
Give thanks to life, you know.
Where there's food health is concerned, this is it right here.
Yeah, but it's right. Yeah.
And this man got so much knowledge, guys. I cannot wait for when the time is right. You learn so much.
Don't worry, man. We're there with Kino, because we are Kingstonians, you know.
Yes.
We're there for build the energy. So when Kino ready and I ready, feed the world with it, man.
Yes,
Anytime ready, you man.
Anytime ready. So there's a lot more we're going to see. As I'm never stay tuned, you know, just a ear, actually, well, a vibe, you know. Natural mystic reasoning. You don't see nothing yet.
Watching smoothie, wait.
Smoothie, I'm getting at that. You know? That's a smoothie, I'm getting in that. But this have me aware. The pumpkin seed, this is from this pumpkin itself. Right, in parch it, and trust me, the parch when parch it and spice it, it's so nice. You know?
You can go and wash off all the honey if you want to, when you get your smoothie.
Hey, we just did a while ago, you know. We just wash it out down there a while ago.
Okay, then now wash it then.
Yeah.
At
least I'm gonna all this tastes like banana chips. Like
ask him.
Guys, I'm confused, right? I'm eating pumpkin seed. Yeah.
Most people buy the pumpkin and part of them throw away.
Oh yeah.
You tell them it's the part of the sweetest part, because the pumpkin tastes as how that tastes. So, and that even, you see that now, that good for meal, because that help with the prostate. The ruffles in it help clear the prostate, that you know get that blockage there, that
the pumpkin seed.
The seed, yeah.
Okay.
You can look it up.
Okay.
Pull out the pin side.
And that's where it's concerned. So the pumpkin seed is good for the prostate.
You can look for it on Google.
On Google. So guys, they can check that out as well too.
What we do now, when we buy a pumpkin,
yeah,
we gather the seed them. And then we use the pumpkin itself. See my gather them?
Yeah.
You're about.
Okay.
Make a station, I'm
Yeah.
So I'm done cut up them, I'm done just cut up that and show you.
Okay.
I'll show you what you did.
Yeah. And these are the bell pepper?
Yeah,
I was said that.
Yeah, man, you can come up, man. You come up easier than the dry.
Look at the yard, it's so nature vibes. Eat there. Fire blaze out, breadfruit or rose. Natural. Natural. Mommy, when you come to Jamaica, you have to come here. And whenever I say our extended family, whenever I come here, I want to come get this nature, the vibes, come get the food as well. Everything is high-type food, healthy food, healthy. Like everything is healthy, trust me. Healthy. Even the burger, you know. So the burger made from
chickpeas, you know.
Chickpeas.
Yeah, the burger itself, the patty itself, make from chickpeas, and the outside you can get two bread. We do two types of bread, you see me? So we have the breadfruit bread, you know, and we have the
breadfruit bread.
Polenta, yes.
Wow.
Yeah, man, and two of them we have, man, the breadfruit burger and polenta burger, you know. You can get a half and half, or you can get straight breadfruit. You can get straight,
Purple seamus,
so this is
purple seamus.
Oh, the purple seamus.
We use this make a juice. So all them juice they have come get. Right now I have the herbal lady that I tell you about.
Yeah.
I have that in the fridge.
This taste this?
herbal lady. Well, you can
Herbal lady.
that's what I wash up with it.
Oh, you're not alright, so I make it the juice. So this I can eat the same as it is, right?
Yeah, man.
Guys, it's pure life. I eat this, right?
This I know that. This now are the herbal lady. This make it like a blue vervain, guinean, and fever grass. So you have a herb in it for the female, a herb for the male, and a balanced herb. So the blue Vervein good for the female, the Guinean good for the male. So the Guinean now burn out cancer cell good for pain, the blue Vervein good for the womb, it good for the grind.
Yeah.
The fever grass now it good for like if you get all the vibes like cola come up on you, it kill them symptoms there. So it's actually 3 herbs where it's good for both the male and the female.
And this is actually a drink.
Right.
You can drink as it is.
As is, right.
As
So
it is right
it's,
now.
it's like you know take a medicine in a juice form. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
And I say it now, once come here with pain and I tell them this a man that them say Ras, pain gone.
Gone.
And I say, wow. Well, give thanks to hear that, but I don't what them say.
One go. Right? One go. Say guys, we come here and drink, eat everything. Right? And we have the
Look on rice.
you know, healthy. Healthy. So this is the natural
Substitute for rice.
Yeah, for rice.
Yeah, we don't eat rice. No brown, no black, none. Quinoa we eat.
For rice.
Eyes is
But them always talk about this, you know, and this life is not cheap.
it's not. Alright.
And
Fire. If you go put the price over life. You don't respect life. Man.
No.
Much of a guy shoes. Much of a guy TV warrior.
True.
Much of TV now. You must need TV.
No.
You don't need TV.
Don't need TV. No.
You need food.
Cause with the food, you know, this is
Much of cell phone. And everybody have iPhone.
lot of money.
So you're gonna tell me say food there.
True. I tell you, so one time I feel nice. This knowledge, I feel just like I'm born again, you know, brother. Getting this knowledge like I'm born again. We are rewrite back, you know, with the computerized. It's like we are rewrite back everything when you get knowledge.
Alright. All that we are does replica our ancestors in.
Yes.
Really and truly our ancestors and done the live on
Yes.
this plane already. They done live a life already. Done the use certain things already.
Yeah.
See?
True.
So it's not like say I'm not the new
What you're doing?
idea.
It's a continue.
Eyes desire. It's just a remembrance.
Yes.
You know, so you have quinoa, you know.
Yeah.
You must use rice, you know. Left up to you and use it.
Yeah.
Remember, so we have pumpkin, you know. Pumpkin them have seed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me I say that the next thing too, we have to use things where can come again. You see pepper them? Bird
pepper.
eyes is. If you drop them in the ground, them grow right now. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Some of them pepper what them are making now, if you drop the seed them, you know.
Them not growing.
So that's the problem.
Yes,
The
them.
problem is things what them are give us now don't have any seed. So it now come again there, so it will kill your seed if you keep feeding upon a thing with seedless. We're going to you now
Wow.
have the seed.
Tita. Aye. Empress.
Who make it here, man?
Yeah, come Empress. Wow, guys, so this is the smoothie I've been telling you about. Trust me. And you get in a cup or calabash, anything I can try, you know. So we have the Empress here. Tell them what's inside of this Empress. First of all, introduce yourself.
I am Tifara.
One Tifara.
One.
I am Ibo's Empress.
Yes.
So in the smoothie, there are nuts, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts, walnuts, pecan nuts, cashew nuts, dates, bananas, and ice.
Ice. Guys,
Yeah,
this is really natural and nice.
Oh yes, and I put some ashwagandha powder in there as well. Ashwagandha and shatavari.
So
Really good for me.
No, man.
okay, they hear that? It's really good for man. So
Get a
yeah,
power up.
yeah, a power. So guys, if you're feeling down, you know, in real life, hey.
My smoothie them make some
Lovely. I'm telling you. Listen, I'm searching for the healthy life, and I think I find it. I found it. You know.
Fully alkaline, fully natural.
So everything is alkaline and everything is natural right here. So trust me, whenever you come Jamaica and say, you know, ready to roll, you know I'm taking you right here where the spot is, you know. The energy, the vibes, you know, the knowledge we're gonna get from Spice, it is unbelievable. You know, so unbelievable. It's so knowledgeable, you know, everything. So hey, so we have Raggedy right here, spice up something. Straw, a straw please, Empress. Smooth here. So come on, I'm going back to original life. You know, this is life. So look how well it's set, right? Garris?
Mike.
So see there, balance. So if you have change and balance, see there, set balance right there. Thank you. And I have the pumpkin seed.
No, well iron when it's cool.
When it's cool, right? Alright, so that one is hot, so I get it well cool. Yeah.
That more than one flavor here.
Yeah? Yeah.
I but need to tell you what herbs is in there now.
Yeah.
It's lemonade but with herbs.
But even if you get that cold,
Yeah.
I'm gonna one go you go.
So now one go, make a go? I don't one go, make a go. It's not too.
I'm gonna give you a problem because it's too much different.
It's supposed to give you a problem, man, because.
One something, you know. So much different, so you don't know where you really are. Herbal lane.
Herbal lane.
And I want to say nothing about that. Because you know herbal, you know lemongrass already. You know lemongrass already, and you know lemongrass. You can't come here again and not get no food. So that's not the food there, everything. A smoothie we have here now and juice now. Herbal lane and some pasta, some spring, some food just a cook box. The next Saturday everything up. See me? Right.
Watch it.
See, I'm going to bag of things now. Come here.
So you gather the seeds them now, right?
Come on, fire next Saturday, come here and eat straw. You got kicky like that. Zinc there, board there, everything there already. I fit the warrior there now, but fit them together and go ready to cook. Wait me, I will cook a plate, you want to jump on board
So this becomes this. Right. And trust me, this tastes like I'm eating banana chips. I'm not even lying. It tastes like I'm eating banana chips.
Now we got 6 o'clock and we wait 4 o'clock.
Nice.
So me I tell him
this life, you cannot get me away from this. Life, nice man, nice. This, you tried it already? I should have asked that, don't it? 3 years. It tastes like banana chips, and it's not banana chips. You know, nice. Oh, so you know, a good thing we take off the last one. A good thing.
when I steal that man, that's why.
Yeah.
That's why whenever I attack.
Yeah, yeah. Done. No left. No left. One bowl of smoothie. Finito. Nice. cooking some breadfruit. Look at my, there's even a breadfruit. Eh? Yeah. Eh? Yeah. Russia. These are, watch them. These are roasting breadfruit, right? Roasting breadfruit. Take up most of them already. Yeah. Roasting. Them on the bottom. Roasted.
Then make the burger.
Oh, these make the burger. Oh, okay. So guys, so this is what make the bun. This is what make the bun. They use the breadfruit to make the bun for the burger. So it's a breadfruit bun they get in. So this is what they use to make the bun for the burger, the breadfruit bun. Fire burn out. It's a roast. So this time used for the bun, right?
Yeah, the bread in the burger.
Bread in the burger.
Now how much the herbal there? 5, 12 everything.
So,
when you fall,
so this is the love stone.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, you see this now, if the water being poisoned, it sink. You see me? If it don't poison, it float. So that's the powers of this carry. If you have water in a drum in your yard, see me? What the maroon them would do, them would drop 2 of that in it. Now if somebody come and put poison in the water, you have to come see this on the floor of the drum. The water alright, you have to see them float. So the maroon them would use now this to know if the water is safe to drink or it's unsafe. See me? So that's where the powers with that carry.
What them call this again?
Name cocoon.
Cocoon.
Yeah. As well as it's edible. But to eat it, you have to put it through a process.
Okay.
See me, you have to ox it out and then boil the kernel. Then after you boil the kernel, then you can use it as food. But when you boil it, you take out the toxic way in it. So when you boil it, you throw the water there. And then you cook this well left.
And this one will look similar to it now.
Right. That now named capsule.
Capsule.
See me? Them call it antidote too. That good for sore foot. And cuts were hard for heal.
Hard for heal.
You see me?
Oh, so that take out what's inside of it.
Same thing. You take the kernel. It's like a peas, you know, and like a seed. A seed them, you know. You see me?
Yeah.
So the center of them have like a nut.
Oh, okay.
Same like a peanut.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, the kernel we call the center. And a boy in a KFC, at the center of them, the name Kernel. You see me? I am going to try to take the name, you see me? Yeah.
And this now?
Well, everybody is supposed to know it from Jamaican. What you know it as? You remember when I go to school and pick them say, rub it and put it
on the bun, yeah.
What them call it that time?
I don't remember the name.
I go for some more.
Yeah.
I don't
remember the name. So spice the donkey eye and the... So what good for?
She will tell you that. I'll show you more first.
Alright.
That is our next one. That's a Jamaican herb, you know. See them, you know. All of them I'm not sure you see. But people just see them and just think, say, as some seed that just grow up, drop off and pass and gone. No. And powerful seed them and now pass along the way, that. You see them, you know, them you control the earner. You see the boasting thing when you see man have where bars swell big.
Yeah.
You see if you never know about this and that,
I know somebody who have that problem as well, you know.
Look at work,
Alright.
me come like you have him.
Kush. He said them you know, them two ya. Them work with that. The boy can do it too, you know. But them two are more known fee. You see me? For earner. What I do know, you see them two you know, you da get them. Get like a dozen of them. Drop them in your frying pan without oil. Just put it on the fire and make it get hot. You can see them get change color. Just keep moving them around in the frying pan that and not just one side alone get parched. Because you want parched walnut. So you can keep moving them around until you see them look parched. When them parched now, you just take them out of the frying pan. You need a mortar. You know mortar where them use beat. After you beat them through the mortar, you sieve them to a strainer. When them go through the strainer, that time that them perfect, you know.
Okay.
You know, everything go through the strainer. So as long as you don't go through, you put it back in the mortar. Boom, 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 boom.
So,
Strainer again. So after you strain it now,
So, grinder could work.
if you have a grinder, then that's even better. Yeah, man, if you have a coffee grinder, then you're good. Me say more people that use have to get a little mortar. But you can buy a grinder like this.
And grind it out.
But here with this now, them one are too small for this. Cause last time I tried this in this, it fuck up. It itch and fuck up this. So you have a heavy duty one. But if you have a grinder like this, and can bounce say even one seed in it, and a one seed in it, and a one seed, you know, it's a good side way. But don't try put more than one, cause it can mash up the top end. So broke off the blade. Cause I tried it with it the other day and that happened to them one here. So I buy now, I buy an industrial one. You see me where I'm dropping at that time blending. Viva.
This look like olive.
So you want smooth.
This have a look of, and this have a look of olive.
General, no, them thing there now.
You don't know this one?
Yeah, me just go and watch the interview.
And learn too as well too. Yes. Cause I'm telling you, Spice have a lot of knowledge and they must share them. I like that.
I'm there now, yeah.
Okay.
This buyer's blender now. It's a super grinder. Cause you have to grow, you know.
Yeah.
Go through all of them, look at one there already and lose enough of them. But 10 of them, them are match up already. So I say, and I can't hurt. So we go to that level here now. See that level here now, I can throw out 2 dozen of them here night. No problem. Just lock and move. You know this now, you know that herb here? This is anata. All this powerful in a key now. You know this?
No?
Anata, you know that? You have to see them, I'm sure they see them before it come to that. Because this is a medicine to you know. This and this do the same thing for you. But here now, Dr. Swaby born this. Because Dr. Swaby not like turmeric still, you know. Because I'm saying turmeric are acid.
Yeah,
You see me?
Dr. Swaby.
But most people still use turmeric.
Yeah.
But where Dr. Swaby that try to share with them, I'm sure you say, well this do, this will do it.
Yeah.
This name Anata.
Yeah.
But this do the same thing as this, because the 2 of them are the same, you know. But this is like a curry, you know. And this are the same farm of curry.
Farm.
You know what? But with this now, this left a starch.
Yeah.
Which are the starch, Dr. Swaby not like, the starch are the problem.
Yeah,
The starch is a sediment.
Starch.
I desire.
Everything was
I
avoid
desire.
starch.
That's why I'm do use cassava neither. Because cassava have the same sediment like this.
Yeah.
You see me? So him know when him light the fire upon certain thing, him know when him light it for him. Like
Yeah.
Starch. Starch him a try keep it from. So that's why I'm born turmeric, I'm born cassava. I'm born kale too.
Kill.
No.
I think so.
Him born a lot of things.
I think I just Callaloo. I think I like
Yeah, no, him love Callaloo.
Love Callaloo.
Him give Callaloo the highest.
Cut.
Yeah,
Yeah, yes,
love
bro.
Callaloo.
Love Callaloo.
You see things, why I'm say grow wild. Them like things are
Alright, you
growing
see, porcelain, eh? You know porcelain?
Yeah.
You know it? You know it?
You hear about it, but we never
You
use
don't
it.
have to hear, man. You have a camera, you can see.
Yes. You see, man.
Don't want to hear you.
Right now, I'm in the class. Right now, I'm in class. Taking knowledge of life. You understand? Knowledge of life.
Yeah, man.
You see, you never know say turmeric have starch, though. You never know. And you don't know?
But me
Yeah, man,
is
no.
no say is a
Come on, say
skeptical.
because I follow Dr. Swaby teaching
Yeah.
to a point. So I have an idea say, you know, I get to a book one at a time. And I reach the book, and when I reach about, I don't reach halfway, I just stop. Because I continue to read a book, then I can eat nothing.
Nothing at all. Yes.
I tell you the truth, because same thing in it, turmeric in
Let's
it.
go everywhere. Everywhere now.
You know it's a fire. But just never mention it's
Push.
a Rasta
You see
man.
this? Stronger than Callaloo. No care what greens nobody want to tell you about. If you're not eat this, you're not eat the highest greens.
Fire.
Alright now.
Oh,
apart
always
from
seen
that,
at the yard,
how much you know that tree here? We carry them seed under here, so. You know this? Look, you see the seed them under the leaf? That's tree there. How much you know? You know that good for that? And the powers of that tree.
Is that the one where you touch it and it lock up?
No. Me have that one. What about that? That one name Shame Down.
Shame Down, yeah.
That good for man. Good for your grind area. Good for the wood root. You see me? But boy are the highest in our kidney cleaning. Him name Carmy Seed Dada.
Carmy Seed.
Anybody where have kidney deficiency, this him want know. You all you have to do is boil this as tea and just go and drink this. It's just build up back everything in the kidney.
So one day they have a fire, I put my back.
I cook this all the while now. So what you want me to do? Say I cook it, but don't tell them.
Yeah.
Just serve it.
Tell us, sir.
Because we don't want to create now. What you just say?
The man cook some sip.
All female they got root up a big box the other day. Cook out the whole of them.
The man cook some sip. Or when I drink the sip, I say,
Come on,
sip
all
like that.
different.
I sip up. The man just take up the bush and say, oh, you see that bush there? Then I put in
I
it.
just drink that. I things have to reach if you drink it. No, you know we alright. With
know
herbs,
we
you know
things
that.
reach up.
That's the beauty about herbs. You don't have to wait till you see
Till
them
something
there.
up.
Then you have to look them.
Yeah.
That's why I tell people say, put them in here that you don't even get the sickness.
Yes, yes.
Better you prevent more than cure.
Cure, yeah.
You see me? So when a man go wait till him tummy and pies over for him drink busy, we are saying, no man, prefer put busy in me, that means say go when pies come in. Move. Who you man? Who you so poor? If you didn't left yourself careless, me enter. Push. Even COVID, you know. COVID look best for itch too, you know. Yeah. When you go and looking at your vessel and she say blood clot.
Yes, what about room?
We not bother come.
Gone.
For a weak soul, you know. See over there so you look like a beef up on your chicken up and say, wow. Satan. Chucking at that. Can live this up. Can rule this up.
Yeah.
Really that them do the warrior them dada.
Yes, yes.
Prevent better than
cure.
Word, sound and power.
Yes.
That's how we do that.
Yes,
We
true.
not left our ancestors them tell you, because that cause a problem now. But to say this now, that I'm going to show you they are not a seed them that you can get a view of the seed them, because these are the blend product, you know. This should sieve out and bag out. I'll show you how it look before me.
Before, yeah. Wow.
So,
Knowledge of
this
life,
is the
you know.
end product. This is when it finished. Because that not finished yet. That have a blend more.
Okay.
So this is after. This is before. So it looking a seed now. So we actually take this out of a pod. That are after. That are the
after
powder.
when it well.
That now I use cook out some chickpeas and it taste like. Try some fritters with that.
Yeah.
Wow. So that are it.
So this is it now.
That are the seed itself. So I eat that now I put in this and just lock it and blend it. Bring it to powder. Then sieve it through a string.
So you can find that tree here. That's something we always see.
You know, it's a part of Jamaica name Anata Bay. They say usually grow mostly, but I don't know what go on with Rownison now. It's like in a Rownison up again, but this usually grow around Anata Bay mostly. That's why I get the name Anata Bay.
Okay.
It's not just Anata Bay, so.
Because that's where it's originated from.
It always did so mostly. But now, it grew a while through Jamaica now. You see me? No, Anata Bay, it come from mostly, man. You see me? That's why they name it Anata Bay.
Anata Bay.
You see me? So this name Anata. This yellow nickel. This grey nickel. That donkey eye. This capsule. And this cocoon. Right. This now the maroon them use a lot. This are mostly the maroon them, you know, you'll find with this. No?
Mostly.
They're sacred to them.
Yes.
You see
And so them used to make like chain as well
it's
too.
sacred to them, man, because I tell you, it's affine of them water. If it's not in them water, maybe them don't consume it.
Yeah.
But it's once it's in the water and it has to stay afloat, then we drink the water.
drink the water.
If them come and this sink in the water,
Not drinking it.
Nah, drink it, that. So I tell you, some toxic in the water, that's why the seeds sink.
Sink,
See
yeah.
me? So it's a ritual where them hold with this thing and that,
Yeah.
dearly.
So we have 3 stone here.
Alright now. Stone Master. Who Stone come here? Come tell him.
Stone Master.
Come I don't want to call the stone name.
Aye.
Them man are more gear.
Yeah.
The valley and the name of the stone. The stone doctor them not there no car. It's a you know. I never go on like I alone in the whole universe. I have some warriors.
Like even
You know what that was?
That's stone there.
The love stone. The stone is the love stone. Pink quartz man.
yeah,
Pink quartz.
And then this
turquoise that.
Alright.
And this
that right. Now you know the purpose of them now, don't what is for again?
This one.
Cause you know more do that level there. Me not go say deep. You say Matthew and Men's.
Yeah, more tranquility.
Them I true you come on Iowa when the thing no fly.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
But it's when you come on a good day.
Man, I call Matthew.
Serve you.
Yeah.
I want a scientist when you come on there.
Ready for it, man.
Really
Ready.
for you that alright. Even the warrior is to come sit down here, sir.
Yeah.
And the chalice master that in there from that Iowa till this Iowa. Them man are create chalice from Bob Marley, Lee Scratch Perry, and still there now.
Same
I make
way.
chalice said way. So
Same way.
it's like it's a vintage and a roots, a whole heap of ones. Cause I alone. I alone couldn't do it. It's the day before
Yes,
I come tap in an energy where it already exists. Somebody just play a part tonight and no
Carry it on.
the ones them with the power will come through more while and it does. I just that.
I remember you say a thing earlier on, you know, to me, and say you cannot keep the knowledge for yourself.
No, that's a selfishness.
Selfishness.
That no word. That no word.
Anything
Knowledge we told for thyself is redeemed worthless.
Yes.
So the duty of knowing is to share.
Share.
See, you come know, share it with somebody else that them can know it. I
Teach and help.
I
Yes.
desire.
Yes.
Why believe the other races are above us, God?
Cause them share them share.
I don't know what happened to us why we feel say me feel better than you.
True.
And me feel keep you under my feet.
Yes.
Because that's the only way we can feel above you.
Yeah.
It's as long as they're willing to learn the knowledge and take the knowledge, you know, that's just it. Because sometimes I try to teach some ones and then
I desire.
teach some ones and oh, you're not push to say and talk. So as long as one's willing to learn, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, but that is always there.
Spice, bring one for me as well, too, please. Yes, man, the herbal aid. I start drink one already before so I need mine now. And then here and say herbal aid. Yes.
Alright.
Of course.
This are the herbal aid, you know? Now we say this now. This a guinea hen.
Yeah.
Good for cancer. See? We have a next one in there good for the womb. What for the woman then? But the cancer one good for pain too, so that for the man.
Yes.
And then we have one for any form of sickness so we come here which are the fever grass. Apart from that little lime, little agave. Because we don't do the sugar and so.
Yes.
I exist.
Yes.
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 Yeah man, want educate the world.
Of course, because the world need it, you know. We all need it. Everybody. Yeah.
Well, leave them in a queue, you know. And that's going to cause a problem in the future, because we know. We don't make them take out next year.
It tastes good. It's refreshing, man. It tastes good. It tastes good. It tastes like you drink lemonade. Just like you drink lemonade.
Yeah, same man. Like a lemonade.
Yeah, like a lemonade. So especially like a cold now, you just want to make one go.
Yeah, it's fused with herb and it's not like fire. I try to roll it now. Brother, bless up, you know.
More strength, yeah, I'll give thanks. It's like I'm drinking lemonade. Can have a minty taste as well too. Like the man this earlier, so I got to mess with my taste bud. All different type of herbs me and taste tonight. It tastes good. But know my taste? It have a minty taste. Honey.
Man, I tell me about sand down and that. Alright now.
I get a lot of taste, but I
can't pinpoint one.
Yeah, we.
That's
But
not
we.
say definitely a lemonade.
And herbal
You
aid.
get lime and
Yeah, get lime and the
They not
honey
taste-
and
No. The Guinean is supposed to taste still, or the fever grass. You know taste the fever grass?
the mint. Yes.
Yeah, man, you're supposed to taste the fever grass. But the Guinean kind of subtle. And the blue vervain, because them herbs are now no loud in a taste. But it's the fever grass loud. So it's going to take over.
Yes. It's really, really low.
Yeah, man. But you are now with this now. It's summertime. No, man. You saw that? You say it, you slap it away?
What? Right, I'm gonna preach that loaded all of this tonight. No joke. The fridge for loaded with this tonight.
I said that made me thirsty.
Aye.
You see the man is a shot it now.
Yeah. Because that spice when time you're up and running, no more want to put out a contact number from now, because you know this is always there.
Come on. Alright.
You know? So
No worry.
when the people are watching them, I want to call CMA
Come through.
and speak, you know. So that's
I get that number. Never number now, but you not to answer
Nah.
now.
Okay.
Oh, bust it for another answer. So.
Okay. So when we put up all this now,
We
they
know, man.
want card
We know
ask
that.
about these herbs and these
Yes,
different
Dada.
things.
Yeah,
Same
man.
way.
Because I know the eye thing go.
Yes.
What I do with the eye, Dada?
Mhm.
As I tell the eye, Dada, when I come through and thing up.
Yeah, man, definitely, man.
Because the burger is something for you to see and thing.
Yeah, man. This is the life right now, you know. You know, it is the life. You know, it's the way of life. Yes, it is the life. Yeah,
It's
man,
a joy
trust
to
me.
share it, Dada. That's what we have.
I know the first, I'm go somewhere like me don't want to leave. The vibration, the edge like me don't want to leave.
Warrior,
You know.
you're not the first.
I mean, the
second,
first, right?
No, the third.
Alright.
Them warrior can tell you.
It's like you don't want to leave.
All the way.
Yeah, it's like you don't want to leave,
What
though.
do you think? You think them ones that live here?
Yes,
If they gonna live here?
yes. Exactly.
All them man, they gonna live here?
The
See them
vibration.
like the eye, Dada.
Yes.
I just love and light.
Yeah,
Dada.
man.
Alright, you
Yes.
see the
Far.
mind,
You know,
you see the soul, them connected in Dada. Them know peace there, you know. And that them are
So
looking
imagine that.
every day.
Every
because
day.
a trouble and trial people are
Imagine that.
uncomfortable
At the
spirit.
energy, man.
Other people are
Righteousness, man. At the energy, man. The
People want
love
that.
is
People
real.
want comfortable.
Yes.
Lock them eye, relax.
Cool, man.
Now feel worry. Now feel watch your phone. Now feel your pocket.
Yes, yes.
Don't like them, Dada. You see, I say, when I live that way, Dada, we don't have it, we go to bed without it. Wake up and try to get it the next day.
Look at all this knowledge, man. Look. And this is not even a tip of the iceberg at
No.
all. Not even.
Small,
Small. And look how much you learn about today. Look at all this. Yeah, they drink the smoothie, everything. Yes. It's so much to get done. You see, you have Raggedy over here prepare the seeds, you know, for make this.
Right, right, Dada. Take it back. Hey, you know, what you can do now, Dada?
You will make some million times.
Can I see a peace of mind? Yeah, the more I eat, let's see this. So this is the before and this is the after. When it parch and everything, it's like you're eating banana chips, but it's not. But it tastes exactly like a banana chips. But it's not. And over there we have the breadfruit.
Oh, yes, Dada, man.
So the breadfruit are roast, because that's what you use to make the bun, right? To the burger.
Today, no burger on today. Yeah, that's what you want.
Whoa. Blessed Lord. Righteousness, man.
Dada,
We
the
have
tree of
life,
them
you know,
tree
guys,
grow
and
upon.
till they say, yo, you're going to give me some more. We have
Tell
like
you.
healthy living.
If you see them here, Dada, why? You don't have to touch the tree. 1,000 maca upon the pot of them here. Every angle them turn, no one there for your wall. Like a pearl.
Yes.
Those maca.
I just
I saw them stay on the forest. So,
remember.
you don't have to take up them now when you see them. You never see them on the ground.
But take them up, right?
You don't have to see them on the tree and take them up. I show him the pot the other day, the other one here. Can come a river there, and just go fit in the full farm. I say, why not this? See me all look. Can't tell. Him can't tell by the pod. Him not by him show you the pod. You don't know what come like. I just be a maca. Hear the man. You don't know when I ox it out and say you don't know this here. Yeah. Yeah. He said, boy, you don't know it. Kind of. No, this is the red peas, the local red peas. But they call it the stripe red because of the stripe. The one that he's talking now, the round red.
Yeah, yeah.
They don't come with the stripe, they're just round and red.
Oh.
That one is now the camouflage, the make one, the one that they make. This is the original one from that time, your grandparents. This are the one of them used to.
Stripe one.
The dry gungu will come from America, no good. The broad bean from America, not good. Because them did upon shelf like 10 years.
Yeah.
Nothing doing that. I just trash. So when you boil it and feast it, it'll do good for you.
No, do nothing good for you.
You tell yourself, say you eat peas. But you eat peas scraps. Really, that. And so you have to get peas to get the value of the peas. You have to breathe. You have everything where you want now.
Yeah.
You see me? So if you want to get it to now and cook it to now, you get everything. When this dry and I dry out that man, so that's not good. So we don't eat kidney bean, we don't eat broad bean or dry. We eat the sugar bean. Our sugar bean have the same figure like this on it. It have a little stripe in it, same way. If you know the broad bean, you know the broad bean, some of them come purple, some come red. You know that little one there? That's the original. That's the right one. The big white one there, poison. Monsanto them make them.
You see Grace have it fun.
Wow.
What for knowing that?
There's so much, there's so much to know, I'm telling you. I'm not telling you, spice.
Our good ones.
Packed with knowledge, guys. Really,
But then how we get them the most?
knowledge.
Foreign them to sell nothing, because just them to sell. It's a surprise to see how much go on abroad. To us steal yourself. So where we get, where we go to the market, go buy.
Chili steam, let's say love.
Yeah, man.
Some burgers and
Yeah, man, I'm telling you. Right now, I'm home this, you know. Blessed love, yeah. We find a home away from home.
come to life. And
You know, home away from home.
happy if you know that, man.
Yes, man.
See?
Home away from
There
home.
you feel like through the job. See?
Right, as I say, you will see me more here, more often. Most of the video them are yesterday go see me there eat or
No
reason
problem.
and I get the
Come to
knowledge because
Come to it.
we
Ready
need
to
it.
help the eye.
Alright, we need
Send
this
you
knowledge,
like a
man.
rocket.
Of course, man. So stay tuned for these as well, you know. Getting a pencil, getting a book, and take notes.
Tell them.
You know, take notes. You see, I have to leave one more with the herbal aid.
Heal the warrior come heal on you now. Yeah.
Alright.
This is the warrior go.
That's how we do.
Save on the soul.
Herbal.
Mental, physical and spiritual.
Hallelujah.
As desire.
So, as I say, the contact number not out there yet.
Yeah, but
Right.
I get everything, man. Don't worry, man.
But when still can't reach to me, I'm going to reach to him phone the same way.
Which is right.
Because I know if you, right now if the number go up, you ring him like, wow. Five, me tell you, say, put up a video by tomorrow.
Well, I know
I'm
that.
going to want to call you still,
I
you know.
know that.
You know?
I know
And
that.
if you want to give them a temporary number, just take them call you. You see me? Just give
I
it.
could hear that.
Yes, give you a temporary
No,
one.
man, let them go through you.
No, them are going to want to talk to you.
Afterwards.
Alright
Go through you
then.
first.
So I'm going to take a number from you then,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yeah,
Alright, so I'm going to take a number from him. So when time I call him, just send pass him now and everything. I'm going to say there's more to come forward. You know? Long live it. I remember, you know, the lifespan being short because we're not eating right.
Yeah.
Man now live to 900 and add again. Because of what? Because we are intake.
Watch your pot.
You know?
Normal pot, you know.
See it there?
But see, far right pot looks so, yeah. Yeah? Watch it. Watch your kitchen. Watch your kitchen.
Hey. Watch the kitchen.
Watch the kitchen.
See the man with the
So I
season.
cook. You ever see them things you cook yet?
No. Never see these things cooking yet. Only here. I was surprised when I tell you, man. So right up. Stay tuned, you know the thing goes already. Blessed love. Love and love alone. Yes, righteousness. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving, someday we'll be a better